Hi there, my name is Gang and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to say hello in Korean. Okay, let's get started. Generally speaking, our first conversation starts with greetings. It happens all over the world, right? In fact, it's very easy to learn how to say hello in Korean. First, the casual or informal version of hello is 안녕. Literally, this means, are you well or are you peaceful? This version usually used between very close friends or in the same age group. Okay? And also keep in mind, this version is quite a handy word because it can be used as a farewell, like goodbye. Okay? For the polite version is 안녕하세요. We can say 안녕하세요. And the most polite version is 안녕하십니까. We can say 안녕하십니까. Usually, this version is used in the business situation or when you show your respect to the person. Okay? In Korean, these greetings can be used at any time of day, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. In other words, all of them can be used as good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay? Good. Today, I've talked about how to say hello in Korean. In the next lesson, we'll be learning how to say goodbye in Korean. Remember that the key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.